Uh-oh, dudes. Appreciate you watching. Get up in there. Lots more on the channel. 86 TRX 250R. Ooh. Gonna rip this thing around a little bit, you know what I mean? Have some fun on it. Let the kid ride it. And just let you hear it, man. I want you to hear it. It needs to be ran. It's been sitting. It's not perfect. It's a rider, you know. Somebody could come along, get some front plastics for it. And the brakes are a little sticky, you know what I mean? She don't like rolling so nice. But I figure maybe just ripping ass on it here in a minute. That might solve that. With the FMF on it. She's in pretty good shape, dudes, for 1986. The first year of the quad. Holy jeez. And they are a lot of fun to ride. Guys, also, whenever you get done with the video, after you subscribe, if you haven't, go ahead and jump on Time Machine ATV's Instagram. You see stuff like this for sale, because that's where it's going. Throttle's getting stuck on this grip. Sweet. Some Nerf bars, FMF pipe. Oh man. I think somebody finally smartened up. Might be coming to get this thing tomorrow. Can't believe how long it took everybody. It might start. I mean, sometimes it's not a Yamaha. If it's a Yamaha, you know, I would tell you it's gonna start because it has gas in it. Some of these Hondas now, I got this thing from a guy named Brent May, so you can't really expect all that much. You can't expect to get slapped in the shin with this kick lever. Guy. Look it out for you Yamaha guys. If you're a blaster and you see a 250R, maybe you just pay it a compliment, admire its beauty, look at it from a distance, and don't talk no shit to it, okay? Because it's not a little air-cooled 200, okay? 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 Almost at her. See, it kicks back. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Here.
God, I've not. Geez.
Hey, it's like a fucking flash of lightning, I'm telling you. If you hit the power band, it's gonna try and throw you off this bitch. Squeeze with your legs. pegs me with a bunch of rocks in the knees. Easy. Go down in the first. You gotta be careful on this thing, bud.
This is cool.
Yeah, it's a lot of power, huh?
It sounds like a banshee.
You hadn't ridden this one before? What do you think?
Cool. I want to try to start it better. So.
Turn the switch on. You're gonna whack your shin. You can try it. Just try and keep your foot on it. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Who? Pretty old TRX, guys. Jump on Time Machine ATV's Instagram to see more. Tried giving everyone a fair shot at this one, so somebody finally realized, you know, there's a hell of a deal and they're coming to get it. Appreciate you, boys. Guys, thanks for watching this TRX video. Check it. Ooh, 350X is almost done. That's factory Honda gold right there, baby. And yeah, maybe the hubs weren't gold on that year, but they're gonna be gold on this one. You better believe it. Lots more to come, dudes. We're getting this thing. We're about to start putting it all back together. Motors rebuilt. I'm excited to ride it. Parker wants to ride it. So get up in there, guys. Be sure and like and subscribe. Share to your friends. We appreciate you, dudes. Lots more coming.